Hey everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a deep dive into a classic American icon, the 1959 Oldsmobile Dynamic 88. This car isn't just a vehicle, it's a statement of style, power, and the golden era of automotive design. So, buckle up as we explore its exterior, interior, performance, and why this classic continues to capture hearts. Exterior. The first thing that grabs your attention about the 1959 Oldsmobile Dynamic 88 is its bold, sweeping design. It features the classic tail fins that defined the late 50s, giving it a sense of motion even when standing still. The chrome accents on the grille, bumpers, and side trim add a touch of elegance, while the dual headlights give it a distinctive face that's instantly recognizable. From the side, you notice the long, low-slung profile, a hallmark of Oldsmobile styling. The optional two-tone paint schemes available back then made this car even more eye-catching. And of course, the distinctive rear fins with rocket-inspired taillights make it a classic piece of Americana that collectors still love today. Interior. Step inside, and the 1959 Dynamic 88 is all about comfort and style. The spacious cabin features bench seating, allowing the whole family to ride together comfortably. Upholstery was typically a mix of durable fabrics and leather, often in vivid colors like turquoise, red, or cream, matching the vibrant exterior choices. The dashboard is an artwork of the era, with chrome accents, sweeping curves, and a clear, easy-to-read instrument cluster. Optional features like a power steering, automatic transmission, and air conditioning made this car feel ahead of its time. Even by today's standards, the interior exudes a retro charm that makes it a joy to experience. Performance. Under the hood, the 1959 Oldsmobile Dynamic 88 came with a powerful rocket V8 engine, delivering anywhere between 245 to 315 horsepower, depending on the trim. Coupled with a Hydra-Matic automatic transmission, this car was not only stylish but also a performance machine of its day. Acceleration was smooth, and the car handled surprisingly well for its size, offering a balanced ride with solid stability on the road. Fuel efficiency. Well, let's just say it was the era of power, not economy. But if you're a classic car enthusiast, the sound of that V8 roaring down the street is worth every drop of gas. Conclusion. The 1959 Oldsmobile Dynamic 88 is more than just a car, it's a symbol of an era when American automakers were pushing the limits of style, luxury, and performance. With its sweeping tail fins, spacious interior, and powerful V8 engine, it remains a sought-after classic among collectors and enthusiasts. If you love cars that blend history, style, and muscle, the Dynamic 88 is a must-see. Whether it's on the road, in a car show, or parked in a classic collection, this car continues to turn heads and inspire admiration more than 60 years after it first rolled off the production line. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more classic car deep dives. Drop a comment below, would you take a 1959 Oldsmobile Dynamic 88 for a spin?